How to fix Discord headset mic not working. Today guys, I will show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will open just Discord. When you open Discord, go directly to storage and go to clear data, then click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things guys is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord. Then you have to restart your phone. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.